We got some work done on the Scout today. Let's get it started. One more step to get this transmission from stop leaking. Okay, first you're going to take off the top plate, which is a bunch of screws and 3/8 little bolt things. Then spray it down with some sort of engine degreaser. All this carpet's going to be yanked out. Don't worry. Now I'm going to try to blast all this stuff out of here. I'm going to try to scrape some of the stuff that didn't come off right away. This is 2,100 pounds of pressure, and it did not get all of it off by a long shot. So I'm going to have to scrub some of it with a scraper down there, and then I'm going to go ahead and blast it again. Don't think you don't want to watch all that. Round 2. far as this second time that I'm degreasing it, I'm going to warm up the engine like the directions say. Every once in a while, a man has to finally read the directions. Now, it did knock off most of it, but I needed to get it a little bit cleaner because I'm going to be working right around in that area, and you can tell a little bit of the smoke is coming in here from the transmission fluid coming off the exhaust again. But sure is nice having a running vehicle. Alright, right up there where I'm shining the light is where I'm going to be replacing that gasket and the seal for the shifter seal. Everything's a lot more clean in here. Hopefully we can get that done this week. Gotta wait for the parts. But that's where it's at right there. Okay, here it is a little bit more cleaned up. That's where I'm going to be this week sometime. Got a question for y'all. If I don't find out on the forum, there is a, let's see if I can get it. This, what does this go to? Found it underneath here when I was working. I don't know what it goes to. It's a little red boot. Used to be red. And I did find a light that wasn't hooked up. I'm guessing it goes to the transmission shifter. Here's the video showing that yes, it is leaking from there very badly. Right there. Time to shut it down and wait till I get the parts. Remember how I only waxed half of the hood? Tell you, that paint from way back when was not that bad. If you're going to buy one of these things to get this seal out, don't. It's not worth your money. Might be worth your money if the transmission is out of the Scout. If not, it's worthless. Why? Because it's back up underneath here and down. Right there. I bought this $12 tool. I'll give you the part number and everything for it. 15 seconds in the dark. And as you can see, it pulled the seal out. I've been working on that seal. I can't even tell you, maybe a week on and off, pissing me off. And 15 seconds. This seal puller, I got this one at O'Reilly's. You can get them at Napa or any place. It's definitely worth your 12 bucks or $13, whatever it is. I'll put a part number on here and a link in the description. Damn worth your money. 15 seconds in the dark. My flashlight had gone out and I had to go get another flashlight. 15 seconds in the dark, ladies and gentlemen. Well worth your money right here. Alright, as you can tell, a lot of the seal is dry rotted. That's what was causing the leak. Now, it didn't come off here cleanly, but I didn't give a rat's flip. Got that done. Now, when the new one goes on, it'll go on with this top part. You see where all this is all gasket? The metal part will go on top. Alright, I'm going to clean it up back there and put in the new seal. There it is, installed with that yellow-green type top on it. Project done. Tired of the leaking and the smoking. Alright, next you're going to put the transmission shifter linkage back on and tighten up that nut and bolt right here. Let's get that done. I'd use one of those wibbly wobbly socket adapter type things to get the 3/8 socket on this side. I used a crescent wrench on the other side, and this top part is ready to go on, and I think it's 3/8 as well. Alright, I got it back together. I need all new parts for that thing. I'm going to have the top there powder coated by Speedy's Industrial Coatings here in Ozark, Missouri. And of course all the carpet's coming out. It's getting ready to go get the spring over axle swap. And then it's got a little repair on the frame. I don't know if I can zoom in. But right there's not where it's supposed to be. Then it'll go for metal work, and it'll come back and we'll take care of getting it all interior done and debate on what color we're going to paint it. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and commenting down below. We're going to be doing a lot more videos on the Scout, because this is a Scout. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. I just got news that there's another Scout heading to the Roadhouse. Stay tuned.